This is representative of most posts, as the bottom has rotted out from being in contact with the mud. So all of this will need to be, well, the fixings through the gravel board have been replaced, I think, and try and remove the last remains of the ivy. And it's rotten on this side too. So I'm going to remove all the soil from along the edge, clean this up, repaint the gravel board, remove any roots, and put it back again with some new fixings, and try and do my best to do featherboard. Handily enough, I've got some spare pallet wood which I've cut down the sides, and it looks about the same depth as the batons used to affix the gravel board, so I'm going to use that to swap them out. And yeah, we'll see. I wish I had a workbench. 2 batons ready to go. Okay, so got some screws. Got a 3.5mm bit. I'm gonna pre-drill these, so I've got a pile of holes for the screws. It's done, ready to go. Right, so need to get the old ones off. That's where our friend the crowbar comes in. So I'm just going to jimmy these off now. So let's jam it in and leaving them out, which isn't hard when they're rotten. The one downside of rotten timber is it'll pull straight through the nails and they'll still be stuck in there fast. So crowbar to the rescue. Use the nail removing end. Just jimmy those out like that. And look out for beetles. There you go. No beetles are harmed. Cool, so those are both removed. And tidy up round where I'm going to put the new batons, just so it's nice and clean. Always make sure you pick up your spare nails. You don't want to be standing on them later and getting a nasty surprise. Right, that's about as clean as it's going to get. So now time to put the batons on. I'm using these because they're pretty good, and I've not used this yet. I didn't even know it came with its own bit, so may as well give that a go. I think it's supposed to stop it slipping, but it's just like a normal Phillips head. Give it a go. So I fitted it up. It does have little horizontal lines. I guess that's to help keep its grip. So let's give it a try. Okay, so these are all ready now. Just the tip poking through, so I can locate them on the fence and screw these in. Okay, so here we are. I can see where the old baton was. I'm going to locate it slightly off from that, so I'm not using the same holes. I want to get into a nice, clean, fresh bit of wood. And yeah, hopefully my gravel boards are still beef. Okay, so alright, that's kind of stuck on with the pokey out sticky bits, so I'm just going to screw this in. Cool. These are both in now, so we can paint up and put our gravel board back. So I'm cleaning off all the grit and stuff. There's quite a bit of rot on here, but hopefully this will last hopefully another year with a bit of creosote. Hopefully doing the wire brushing these won't reduce them to nothing, because there's a fair amount of rot on the bottom as well. We're using Ron Seal 1 coat timber care. I would suggest using 2, maybe 3 coats, because yeah, unless your coat is 1 inch thick, you won't see it through it, so it needs an extra one. So I'm just going to really slap it on, because this wood is horrendously dry and it's mostly cosmetic anyway, so we'll be replacing this next year, I'm sure. Okay, not like horrendous, but from a distance it'll probably be okay. Okay, from the outside, everything looks pretty clean. All good. Before I put the board on, I have to give these a lick of paint. Make them nice and tidy. Oh, okay, nice and tidy. Now it's time to fit it. Nice. Well, that's in. Oh. Right, buddy. I've had to turn it inside out because it was bowing outwards. I've used one of the old rotten boards as a shim, then a handy crowbar, because when I flipped it, it didn't want to go into this gap. So it's fairly solid now, I guess. I'm just going to go and finish out the other end, then job's a good one.